Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today I want us to continue with our speedy lessons, looking at body parts, which means ditho tša mmele. Ditho tša mmele. Body is mmele. 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 Head. Hlooho. 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 It's head. Hair. Moriri. 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 In a singular. In a plural, it's miriri. 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 Let's say maybe you're cutting and your hair is all over. Then you say, topa miriri ya gago. Meaning pick up your hair. Miriri. Moriri. Miriri. Forehead. Phatla. 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 Face. Sefahlego. 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 Let's say you want to go and wash your face in the morning. You'll say, sepela oye go hlapa sefahlego. Sepela oye go hlapa sefahlego. Meaning go and wash your face. Ear. Tsebe. 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 It's one ear. 2 ears. Ditsebe. 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 Tsebe. Ditsebe. Nose. Nko. 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 Your nose is too big. Nko ya gago ke e kgolo. Nko ya gago ke e kgolo. Kgolo means big. Nko is nose. Mouth. Legano. 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 Open your mouth. Vula legano. Vula legano. Lips. Molomo. 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 It's lips. Teeth. Meno. 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 You have white teeth. Ona le meno a mashweu. Ona le meno a mashweu. Teeth. Meno. Tongue. Leleme. 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 Ona leleme just means owalela too much, meaning you speak too much. Ona leleme, you speak too much. Leleme is tongue. Chin. Seledu. 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 Eye. One eye. Lihlo. lihlo, lihlo, lihlo. 2 eyes, mahlo, mahlo, mahlo. You have big eyes, o na le mahlo a magolo. You have beautiful eyes, o na le mahlo a mabotse. Mahlo. You have beautiful eyes, o na le mahlo a mabotse. 1 eye, lihlo. 2 eyes, mahlo. Neck, molala, 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 molala. It's neck. Shoulder, magetla, 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 magetla. Shoulder. Chest, dikgara, 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 dikgara. It's chest. Back, mokokotlo, 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 mokokotlo. I have back pains. Ke bolawa ke mokokotlo. Ke bolawa ke mokokotlo. Buttocks, marago, 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 marago. Waist, noka, 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 noka. Stomach, dimba, 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 dimba. Hand, letsogo, 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 letsogo. Elbow, sijabana, 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 sijabana. Elbow. Fingers, menwana, 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 menwana. Fingers. Leg, leoto, 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 leoto. A leg. Knee, kuru, 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 kuru. It's a knee. Heel, sereti, 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 sereti. Heel. Foot, lenao, 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 lenao. Ona lenao just means you like to go too much. Ona lenao, lenao is foot. Toe, menwana ya maoto, menwana ya maoto, menwana ya maoto, menwana ya maoto. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Ke a leboga.